All right, cool. What's up, guys? It's 54 degrees outside. So, I think we gotta go down to FPS and see if we can't mess around on that Renegade. Ooh, yeah. Forgot to show this to you guys. This is the new Liat GPX 2.5 liter backpack. What I'm most excited about on this bag, the back protector that's built into it. 2.5 liter hydration pack. Super excited about that. And also really excited about how wide these back straps are. And the way that it's kind of designed to hug your back. Make it kind of like become like a part of you. So it's not bouncing around. You don't really feel like it's there. That's kind of the goal of a good backpack when you're riding, is you want something that can kind of keep your gear together and you can keep water on you, keep all your necessities, tools, spare tubes, stuff like that. But you don't really want to feel the weight. Anyways, let's get everything together and go for a ride. Those fellas are up to. That could be good fun. Looks like Max is on the phone.
Yeah. I'll shoot you a text first so we get the conversation started. Yeah, I hear you. All right, thank you so much. Look forward to speaking with you on Monday.
What's up, buddy?
Not much.
What's going on?
Just busy.
Busy?
Just busy. Got a guy who wants to trade in a 2005.
Forgot about this thing rolling. Let's get down to brass tacks here.
I'm getting, okay.
What are the odds we can take that Renegade out back and do some wheelies with it?
Probably not today.
Why?
Just because I would assume because Jason's here and he definitely runs a tighter ship than Matt.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Only we had just a little more space. This one here is a 2019 850. There's Justin. Hi, Justin. 2019 850. Available at FDS for $9,500. Ride in 6 days a week. Monday to Friday, 10 to 7. Saturdays, 10 to 5. Beautiful. Good brakes, which are very important for a machine that is fast like this one. Beautiful. I had one of these. I had an older one. I had a 14 and I absolutely loved it. I should have kept it, but I didn't, and now I'm beating myself up for it. Don't be like me when you get a Renegade. Keep it. That's what you want. Sweet girl who's parked off to the side here. Thank you, Flemington Powersports, for letting me showcase another amazing machine. Best four-wheeler on the market, no doubt. The 23s look incredible. If you get a chance to go check those out, definitely do so. Happy we got to come in today and check this one out. Bikes are still better.
Jim.
Oi. Oi.
I can't believe that just happened.
Bang bang.
Bang bang.
Bang bang.
Little bang bang.
Little bang bang.
Big bang bang.
Big bang bang.
Little
Who called
bang
me?
bang. Little shotgun
Hunter
bang
called me.
bang.
That little thing.
Little bang bang.
Hello.
You want a KTM 250?
I do want a KTM 250.
That's Mike.
Now
You did?
Bang bang.
Bring it over. Should we go get it?
Call him right now.
All right, call him right now. Let's see about getting a KTM 250.
Sorry, bye.
All right, bye.
You'll see just right. Yeah, you see
It's got a wide spread.
3 holes? No, it's a modified choke, so it's got a
Oh, modified choke.
yeah.
Jesus Christ. It's on.
All right, time to go boom.
You can't. All right, time out. Fucking.
Right, I can't.
You gotta raise it.
This is how you're standing. Ready? You're like this. Put like this and you lean forward. Dude. You know how I'm standing?
See, I'm going down.
You can't look from the backside. Look and you stand and you point for your target.
Okay, but
I don't know if I want to be around when this gun goes off.
This is what I'm asking.
Yeah. Alright, so ready to pull the trigger.
Elbow up. There you go.
See?
Woo! I didn't think you were gonna fucking shoot it yet. Holy shit! All right, time to go home. Time to go home. Oh,
Keystone.
Keystone, baby.
Are you guys both going?
I guess so.
Why, dude? What the fuck does it matter? Number one, that's a truck.
4,
1,
4.
3, 2, 1.
I think you both missed it. Okay, now it's time to go home.